Hello everyone, welcome to Maxine's Tips. I am Maxine and this is our channel. So people, how you doing? How's your day been? Did you wake up at the right side? Good. We have a special guest, a cute one at that. So this is my daughter, Grace Noella. Please help me say welcome, Grace Noella. Yeah, so she's actually the inspiration behind my starting of this YouTube channel. Yeah, you're my motivation. Actually, when she was born, I was hoping that I could document, our journey, both of our journeys with our natural Afro hair. You see. But this little madam, she was actually born with a head full of hair. But as she started growing, the hair started falling off. Before you could know it, by 3 months, everything down here was gone, ma'am. By 6 months, I was like, okay, it's falling off, it's going to grow again. So I would only bring her in when everything is. You're such a cutie. Yeah, so when the older she got, the more she lost hair. And by 8 months, her head was almost empty. And I was like, oh God, there's no way this hair can be recovered. We have to start all over again from the start. So I shaved everything, brought everything down to ground level so we could start again. But it wasn't growing as fast as I thought. This year, August, that's when I actually cut down the hair. So I was hoping that by this time it would have grown, because people, this girl is going to be 1 year old in like 2 months time. Sorry, 2 weeks time. And so I was hoping by now the hair would be grown to a level that I could actually do some, cute styles on it. But it was so slow. So I decided that I had to do something about it. So from birth, when she was losing hair, I felt like her scalp was too sensitive, so I didn't want to use any products on her hair. But like when she was 8 months old, I felt okay, I think she's a little grown now, so let's try aloe vera. So we are back. So asking that she's too young for me to use anything on her hair, but nothing was happening. Her hair wasn't growing, it was just standing there. So I started thinking of what natural things I could use, and I resorted to try aloe vera. So right now what I use for her hair is aloe vera gel. Just inserting real quick a clip on how I extract my aloe vera gel, guys. I also did a YouTube short on this extraction. I hope you guys watched that too. So I'm just peeling out open the leaves, and actually it's a quick process, really quick. So I don't have much to say about it. I actually mash out the juice from the extraction, the leaf extraction. I feel like this is the most efficient method. And guys, this is actually a part of my panty holes that I cut out. This is really, I feel like this is really the most effective strainer you can have out there. Because it can really strain out just the gel and leave out every other extra part of the leaf, and you can actually have a pure gel from this method. The little madam is in the bathtub, so I use contour shampoo to wash her hair. Yeah, I've not been giving her hair any tender loving care up till now, so I feel like okay, I should just give her hair the same treatment that I give mine. So now it's ready for me to apply the gel. I put it in, rub it in from bottom to top,
Um, I know her hair is short, but it's better to start early, right? Yes.
Hair. I apply from front to back, and I actually make sure I massage into her hair, to like promote blood circulation. I massage her scalp, and what's more, she actually loves it when I massage her scalp. So then when I'm done massaging this her scalp, I just comb out the hair and I leave it in. I don't wash out the aloe vera gel, I just leave it in. And so far I can say there has been a lot of improvement compared to how it was, let's just say, back at the beginning of this month. Her head is actually filled with hair now. I mean, this wasn't really the case. I can say the aloe vera gel has been very effective in changing the texture of her hair and filling out her head, I would say. So for now, yeah, that's what I'm using. So if you have any suggestions as to what better kind of treatment I can use for her hair, please just let me know down in the comment section. And lovely people, that this pretty baby here is going to be 1 year old on the 7th of December. So it's like in 2 weeks' time. What am I saying? 1 week. No, 2 weeks' time. Come on, people. In 2 weeks' time, she's going to be 1 year old. So please support us. If you like seeing this lovely face on my channel, please subscribe, like, and share. In fact, bring all your family members, friends, Cartier neighbors, everybody. Please just subscribe to our channel so we can grow, and you're going to keep seeing more of this very pretty face on my channel. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in our next video. Bye, baby, say bye. Say bye.